See, we have got complaints that swimming pool in Pede, in Ponda, in Margaon, are they are all built in the field we were there before, and there are cracks coming into the pools. So in view of that, there there's a verbal discussion was held with sports official, and then we I mean the decision change got for a footpath come ground, open ground. That will benefit everybody. Citizen of Vasco, they can walk around for fresh air. आता वास्को ओपन जागे काय ना ओपन स्पेस जागो बोलला आम्ही म्हणलं क्लासेजी ऑपोजिट रेल्वे हॉल थिंगा स्विमिंग पूल येवपा आहलो सो देन what we want to do, we have got requests from many schools आणि वास्को open space, no breathing space, so we want to make open ground, come walking footpath all around, so that people of Vasco can at least walk and have some fresh air there. That is one point. Second is, आम्ही PDN decide केला, I am member secretary, कि single family files will be cleared within 48 hours, whether it is approval or completion. Both these things will be done on fast track.